Hi guys, so this client wants to have a dreadlocks. Will this be possible? Can you make dreadlocks on this kind of hair and this short? Is this short hair and this kind of texture possible for dreadlocks? Watch out. So, yes, it is possible for those who are professionals, dreadlock professionals. So I'll be crocheting it, of course, with extensions, but I won't be using afro extension, of course, because this is not an afro hair, and he requested for a synthetic hair anyways. It's just a something that he will just use, but he doesn't want the hair to be short, obviously. The way it is, he wants it a particular length. So I use a synthetic hair to make the locks for him, and this is how I made it. This was not easy. I was thinking it was going to take me like 5-6 hours, but no, we started 10:30 in the morning and I finished 8:15. Can you imagine that? How many hours was that? Oh my goodness. So my back was aching, my back was so sore, my hands were aching. I was so tired yesterday. Oh my goodness. So it took me the whole of the day just to make these locks, and just because the hair is really small, is a small size, and making locks with extensions and synthetic extension is not that easy. So you have to make sure that it's done properly, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I took my time to do this. So guys, this is my job, this is what I do, and sometimes it can be hectic, and you have pains, you need to be patient, because if you don't have patience, you can't really do this kind of job. So I think I really have patience with this kind of thing I'm doing. So that's how it's looking. The hair came out very well. He was so excited about the hair. So guys, this is an opportunity for me to also remind you that dreadlock making class is still on. So if you want to learn how to make dreadlocks, instant locks, retwist and styling, starter locks, sister locks, every kind of locks, extensions like this, how to add extensions to hair, to make it longer, or with different extensions like afro, synthetic, whatever hair. Do you know how to do it to make it last long, to lengthen hair and make it very, very good? Making dreadlocks is different, and doing it very well is also different. So it's not everyone that says they know how to make dreadlocks can actually make dreadlocks, and making it the right way also. So this is it. I can do any kind of hair locks, both afro and straight hair, curly hair, short hair. Now your money killer. So meaning is your money that is talking. Yes, money talks and bullshit works. So that's it, guys. So send me a message if you want to join dreadlock making class. You're gonna make a lot of money if you know how to make dreadlocks, instant locks, crochet. You're gonna make a lot of money, because even if you're not doing it on people's head, you can do wigs and sell them. So there are so many ways of using crochet to make money. So look at that. There's really looking very nice. I loved it. How it's coming out, the sectioning, the size. Look at that hair, straight hair, very fine hair, and I did it. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me for more. Okay, follow me, turn on your notification bell so you can know whenever I post any updates. And yes guys, buy EJ oil for your hair, for hair growth, for beards, and maintenance, general maintenance of your hair. Thank you guys for watching, and bye. Don't forget to comment and like my page and like this video. And that's the styling. I also styled it for him and he loved it. I love this style anyway. Simple but very cute for his kind of style. Yes, guys, please share if you want to share, and God bless. Bye.